The next component in the video of what we're going to do is going to be documenting a cervical exam, looking at the partogram, and then completing a progress note. In order to complete documentation, go to the menu, click Interactive View. Under the OB provider band, this is going to give you a place to complete documentation. Previously, this patient has been documented at 4 centimeters. Now you've gone in, checked her progress, she's going to become 7 centimeters. By double-clicking this blue band at the top, it will allow all of the boxes to default open and make your selections easier. We're also going to document that she ruptured her membranes at this point. And document the color of the fluid. Once we've completed our documentation, we're going to go ahead and sign those. Then we're going to use the Home button to return to our workflow reviews. Now looking at the Labor tab, we can use the Refresh button in the top to make sure that we've captured the most recent information. Here we can see the patient's vital signs and anything else that's changed. Another quick overview is going to be the partogram. This is also available as one of your workflow tabs, and this one happens to be view only. This gives you, again, a patient summary, but also will document in terms of if the patient has an epidural that's running and what time it started, and oxytocin and the current rate. It also gives us the fact that the patient is GBS positive, and if the patient has had a group and screen completed in hospital, it will also show that here. Each of the boxes can be adjusted in terms of the view or which time period you wish to reflect. This shows the trend in terms of baby's fetal hearts, the change in cervical exam including position, and again, if you hover over any of these, it will give you more description. Labor assessment, fetal assessment, and a graph in terms of the ongoing vital signs. In order to complete a labor progress note, we're going to go back to the labor workflow tab, come closer to the bottom of the screen, and here we can see that our notes are listed. This pulls in the most recent documentation to the patient's note. We can complete any of our subjective information. And once we've completed, we can sign and submit the note. Again, should you need to send it to someone else, this is the field in which you can complete that. We've now documented a cervical exam, completed a progress note, and looked at the partogram.